No, if you turn it, it might be sideways in the video. You gotta keep turning it.
So Emily, what's on the menu tonight?
Well, it was gonna be sushi. We switched it up and we went for a walk. And now it's gonna be steaks and pork chops, grilled vegetables, and Lennon wants a hot dog.
Sounds really good.
So we're waiting for our fire to calm down a bit. We're gonna cook some hot dogs. We can put our grate over the fire to make our steaks. Because Jake likes to make giant bonfires.
I do like to make giant fires.
We're just missing sister.
Yeah, we do miss sister.
Can't wait to get her back, huh? Yeah.
So how?
When sister gets back, we'll do this again.
So what did you make for vegetables, and what kind of meats did you prepare?
We have beef tenderloin steaks, so fillets, I guess. We've got boneless, skinless pork chops. Well, I guess they are always skinless. Careful, don't touch the metal part. It's gonna be hot, buddy. And then for vegetables, we have broccoli, carrots, onion, and potatoes. And I just season them with some roasted garlic and herb seasoning and salt. Yeah.
Sounds good. What cuts were the steaks?
They're fillet steaks.
Nice.
So, beef tenderloin. Are they coming to get you? Okay. Hey.
Has Lennon cooked a hot dog on a stick before?
I don't think so.
Have you taught him how to cook a hot dog on a stick yet? I don't think.
Honestly, he's only been around like one weekend of fires, and that was this past summer when we went camping in Michigan. And it rained like 90% of the time, so kind of.
Would you care to teach him? Or do you think he's got it figured out?
Well, it's kind of a big bonfire. I don't want to let him have at it. Right? Yeah, is it going to come and throw a fire out?
Yeah.
Okay, don't hit the... You're hitting the hot dog on the wood, bud. It's going to taste crunchy. You got to just hold it over the fire.
Yeah, just hold it over. See how Mama's doing it? How she's not touching anything?
Yeah, I don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
You got to keep turning it so it doesn't get all bubbly and gross.
You got some camping in front of you, my friend.
You sure do. We like camping, don't we?
Oh,
Remember when we went camping this summer?
fire hopper.
Yeah, the fire's up there.
Yeah, fire. Yeah, fire hopper. Hey.
Don't touch it. It's hot. Fire's hot. Don't touch the fire.
Lennon did learn earlier by putting leaves in the fire that it's a little dangerous and it is hot. Natural consequences worked amazing.
Okay. Don't put it right in the fire. Just put it above the fire.
Look, those are some good looking hot dogs.
I know mine are very backlit right now. I can't see anything. Lennon, stop. We're not sword fighting right now.
There's so many gay jokes right there.
True story.
All right,
So
we're going off. Hold on. All right, we're back. We had a song change. And it's a pretty.
Got some pretty illicit.
It was not illicit. It was just not kid friendly. Every once in a while, there's a song that's not kid friendly. We just had to make sure.
Well, no, I just got a message a little bit ago from my girlfriend Constance, who also loves to cook, and she says we should do a cooking show with the two of us one day because we're both pregnant and we both love to cook. Hold on. So we may have a Facebook Live video coming up with Constance being a guest.
Sounds good. I don't feel like there's much to eat after two pregnant women cook.
Probably right.
I feel like that dinner is a plate full of crumbs.
Probably. Well, she lives out in Oak Ridge, so it's going to have to just be over the video. Unless she comes back to visit and we're off of this quarantine crap. Are you going to help me make your hot dog, or am I going to do it? We're going to have to go camping with Jake this summer, and he's going to have to teach you how to do it for real.
Yeah.
Mommy got used to camping, like, glamping style growing up.
Yeah.
Full kitchen and stuff. Jake's like, bring one skillet.
All you need is a cast iron skillet. That's all you need. That's all you need.
Truth. You totally showed me that. I did not believe you.
That's all you need is a cast iron skillet.
Let's see.
It's fire.
Uh-huh.
A fire hopper.
Yeah, fire's up there.
Don't touch, it's hot.
Okay, I think our hot dogs are done.
All right. You're going to telescope these fake little fire sticks, which I did not approve of, for the record. Totally thought they should be sticks, because I even plucked some from the trees, but
You did.
you know how Emily is. Got a contraption for everything.
These are from Girl Scouts.
What are y'all teaching them if you're not teaching them how to do sticks?
This is our very first camping trip. Give us a little bit of credit.
I'm just saying.
We had a bunch of 5-year-olds camping with us.
Nope, you need a stick. Doesn't matter. You got to start them early.
Hey, buddy, go get me 2 forks inside.
Notice Emily is her happiest with 2 weenies in her hand.
2 of them. 2.
Those look pretty good.
I'm excited.
Let's see what we got.
Get me 2 forks.
2 forks. Let's see what you got.
2 weenies.
We
got 2 forks, buddy.
Nice little char on them.
Yeah.
Hey, well done. I think we'll come back and show y'all what we're going to do with the cooking. I think Lennon's about to chow down on his first charred hot dog, which let's thank Grandma or Mama for those.
Hey, bring them here.
And Lennon's going to do his thing. I guess as a cooking show, we got to get his first bite. Lennon, you got 45 seconds almost to do a first bite because Mama's running out of phone memory.
Am I really?
Yeah, you got 4 minutes and 32 seconds, and we're at 3:30.
All right, here.
It's probably hot though.
Here. Take a bite.
Is it hot?
Come on, turn around.
Is it hot?
Turn around. No. Turn around. Show Jake.
Turn
so he can
around.
eat. Hurry
Turn
up.
around. There you go. All right. Good job.
Bite.
Don't
Take
lick it. Who?
Bite it. It's a hot dog. Bite.
It's like a gay dude on his first experience.
Is that good? Here, you hold it. Don't drop it. Stay off the-
Take a bite.
Go by Jake. Show him the video.
Yeah, take a big bite. Take a big bite. Take one. A whole bite. Don't lick it. It's not a lollipop. Big bite. Big bite.
Aha.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Is it super hot?
You taste it. Have Jake taste it.
You want me to taste it for you?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Oh, you just dropped it.
Did you drop it?
Just shoved it and dropped it. It's good. Nice job. Did you cook this? Well done, Lennon.